Tat Torres, a culinary enthusiast, will be helping me to do this dish. So, lagay natin mantika dito sa ating saucepan. We'll heat it. And then we'll saute garlic. Tapos yung ating onion. Okay, so, igisa muna natin. Ang susunod natin, Tat?
Susunod natin yung kinsay.
Sige, pwede na, Tat.
Pwede na siguro.
Alam niyo si Tat lahat na prepare nito eh. Tat, paano mo ba ginawa yung shrimp?
Well, actually, ang ginawa ko, tinanggal ko muna yung heads niya.
Oo.
Tapos yung balat, saka yung tail. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, minortar and pestle. So, dinurog muna natin yung balat niya, yung ulo, para makuha natin yung juice. Yun yung pinakamasarap sa...
Kasi nandun yung lasa, di ba?
Yes.
And then, kasi tayong mga Pilipino, we want to save as much as possible yung mga balat para, you know, later on, we can use it as the juice.
That's correct.
Okay,
Then,
so,
what we did after is you put some water. Ito na yon, actually, nilipat namin yung pinagdikdikan dito. Tapos, i-strain. So, but before that, we're gonna start with ground pork.
Ayan, itong ating palabok, ang secret dito ng mami ko, actually this is the recipe of my mom, no? Sabi niya sa akin, every time you cook your palabok, you have to make sure yung inyong pork is really, cooked, no? Kailangan nagsisisal daw. If not, madaling mapapanis yung ating sauce. Okay, so we have to cook first the pork, no? Pag medyo brown na, we'll add the shrimp. So, pag may nakikita pa kayong red, that means it's still undercooked. Bango. Yeah. Okay, so can we add now the tofu? So, yung ating tofu or tokwa in Tagalog should be cut into yung noodles. Paano mo ginawa yan?
Ito was pre-soaked, in cold water. Tapos, what I did after is put it in boiling water, blanch actually. Tapos, i-drain mo siya sa kulat.
And you call that bihon?
Yeah, bihon.
That's bihon?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want help?
No, it's okay.
By the way, itong ating style ng pag-present nito, we're using what's this? Traditional ba to?
Yeah, traditional.
And we use bilao, tapos merong glad foil. Nung araw, di ba, they use dahon ng saging?
This foil?
You want it in the middle?
Yeah.
You know, by the way, Tat is a food stylist. Professional food stylist. Okay, bahala ka na.
Bahala na ako.
So that's hard-boiled egg.
Yes.
How many pieces yan?
This roughly mga 6 pieces.
We also cook here our garlic garnishing. Niluto lang namin to sa oil until it became brown. And then over here we have onion, also fried in oil. Please do not remove the oil to make it moist. And then we have chicharon. Ready-made chicharon to, no?
Yes.
Okay, and then we have here onion, spring onions.
Daon ng sibuyas.
Yeah. And then what's this, Tat?
That's what they call hibig.
Hibig.
Actually.
And then tinapa.
Yeah. Okay, I'm almost done with the egg.
Later on, we'll be whipping up another noodle dish, this time Italian. So stay with us.
Just put in a while back yung Ferna and flavored
Gelatin.
2 packets. I'm dissolving the gelatin. I'm going to put in the heavy cream.
Yeah, the heavy cream.
Yeah. Okay.
Yan. Yan ang whipping cream. Kasi ang ibig sabihin ng heavy cream, again, it means whipping cream.
Yeah.
Very high in fat, about, 36% to 37% fat.
Then I'm going to add now
Sugar.
sugar. 3/4 cups of granulated sugar.
We have ramekin, a goblet, and an ice cream glass. It will take about, 24 hours to chill your panna cotta. Before we end the show, Tat and I will show you how to do some plating here for our panna cotta. So I'll start, huh? Okay, so we have here melted tulip chocolate. And then, ito yung aking ginawa kaninang caramel sauce.
Oh, very nice.
We would like to thank our dear friends who have made this show possible and our sponsors,